All right, in this video, we're gonna teach you how to do a beginner sugar tuck, but using the right hand. At the end of the video, I'm gonna show you 7 different sugar tuck variations that you'll definitely wanna know for West Coast swing. See you on the other side. Cool, here's your beginner class sugar tuck, and this is boring, but there's a beat in it that we all mess up, and that's gonna be count 4. So on count 4, I want you to pause. 1, 2, 3, and 4. The reason why I want you to pause on count 4 is I'm gonna need this moment right here to do some of my variations. So please don't just run underneath that arm. 1, 2, 3, and go, and off you go, because it's gonna ruin the rest of these variations. So that's number 1. All right, if you're interested in seeing how all the patterns nest together, there's something called a pattern tree chart. You can download it right here for free. It will show you how you can take a whip and build it into a bunch of different patterns, literally like a branch of a tree. And if you just want to see another video called the 9 inside turn variations we did, it's pretty slick. You watch it right here.